In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Google Meet. Whether you're working from home, attending online classes, or simply want to maintain some privacy during your virtual meetings, being able to blur your background can be a valuable feature. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring that by the end, you can confidently enable and enjoy the benefits of a blurred background. So let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to head over to Google. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and simply typing in Google or entering google.com into the address bar. This will bring you to the Google homepage where you'll find all of the familiar tools and applications at your disposal. Next, direct your attention to the array of Google apps. Typically, you'll find this in the top right corner of the page. It appears as a grid or cluster of small square dots. By clicking on this grid, you'll pull up a menu showcasing various Google applications. You want to look for and select Google Meet from this list. Meeting is what we'll need to access to start setting up our background blur. Once in Google Meet, the next step is to click on New Meeting. You'll find this option typically situated in a central part of the interface. Selecting it brings up several more options for starting a meeting. Choose Start an Instant Meeting if you're ready to go live immediately or if you're testing out the new background feature on your own. After your meeting has started, take a look around for the video settings. Most times this appears as an icon or button that resembles a camera or cogwheel, symbolizing settings. Clicking on Video Settings will open a sidebar or a new window featuring various video-related options that you can tweak. Now, to achieve that professional and clean look, by blurring your background, seek out the option labeled Blur Background within the Video Settings menu. It's usually accompanied by a small toggle or button. Simply click on this option to enable it. The effect should be immediate. You'll notice that your background turns into a subtle blur, which should stay active for the duration of your meeting unless you choose to turn it off. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred the background of your video on Google Meet. By doing this, you create a cleaner visual focus on yourself during meetings, minimize distractions, and protect your privacy. It's a great way to keep attention on the conversation, whether you're in a cluttered home office or a busy cafe. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the seamless experience that comes with a tidy digital workspace.